Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to uninstall Xampp on Windows 10. Whether you want to free up space or troubleshoot issues, this guide will walk you through every step. First, click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen to open the Start menu. From here, navigate to the Settings app where you can manage your installed programs. Once in Settings, go to the Apps section to see all installed applications. Find Xampp in the list of installed programs, click on it, and select Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove Xampp from your computer. After the uninstallation is complete, it's important to check for any running Xampp processes that might still be active in the background. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Look for any Xampp-related tasks, select them, and click End Task to ensure everything is fully stopped. And that's it. Xampp has been successfully uninstalled from your Windows 10 PC. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to share it with others who might find it useful.